Hello everyone and welcome to KeySkillset. Today I will be talking to you about QuickBooks Online. Our course has two parts, QuickBooks Online Basics and QuickBooks Online Intermediate and Advanced. So I will be showing you the intermediate and advanced one. So scrolling through our course content, as you can see, we have the first skill set IQ, which is an assessment that you take before participating in the course to assess your prior knowledge. Now, on to our modules. We have the first module, Managing Bank Transactions, the first submodule, Managing Bank Transactions, Reconciliation, and Handling Bounced Checks. So I'm clicking on Start right now to begin. Now I will just follow the instructions as shown on the screen, and I'm going to press on the arrow down button on my keyboard. To select reconcile, I'm going to press on the arrow down button again. Excellent, and that's it for the first task. And now you are supposed to continue and follow through the rest of the tasks until you have a skill set IQ at the end of this module. Now back to our course. Right here we have the overall progress bar, which determines your progress in the course. And we have the rest of the modules and submodules. Now, towards the end, we have a case study that you are supposed to take online. It only takes 1 hour. And after that, you finish with the final test, and you're going to have to get 65% to succeed in this course. So best of luck and thank you.